You are going to love the 2016 Patriot. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, black door handles. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.